Okay, good. Sounds good.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much for joining with
Yeah.
us. Can you say hi to our audience, Freelancing School BD?
Hello, how are you?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You are very friendly and very handsome man. Thank you so much for joining with us.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Yes. Take care. Because there is a cost, right? So what will be the cost regarding to this?
Okay. Right now we have two type of packages available. First one is basic package, and in this package we have to completely SEO optimization your 10 videos. And our 10 videos package cost is 120 US dollar. This is,
Hello. How are you?
yeah, we are doing very well. Can you open your camera, please? Okay, thank you so much. Nice to see you. How are you?
Nice to see you as well. Good.
Thank you so much for
So you,
joining with us.
no problems. So you are mature?
Yeah, of course. Of course. We
Yeah,
are
okay. So you speak Spanish or just English?
I can speak English, not Spanish, because Bengali is our mother language, and I can speak English, Hindi, Urdu, little bit Arabic, and little bit Turkish also.
Oh, okay. Good. I speak English, so we can do it in English.
Oh, that's very well.
Yeah.
Who are you from? Spain.
No, I'm from Honduras.
Honduras. Okay.
Honduras, yes, it's a Central America country,
Oh,
near Mexico, Guatemala, and USA.
yes. Okay, that's
Yeah.
very good. Okay, so can I start my presentation, please?
Yeah.
Yeah, so at first, thank you so much for joining with us. In here, you can see two person is available, myself, Rifat Sarkar, and Motiur Rahman. Actually, he's reached out to you, and we are teammate, and we are working together in digital marketing sector, and we are providing digital marketing all type of services. So this purpose, our meeting topic is YouTube channel optimization. You have a great YouTube channel, and you want to get more views, get more traffic, and also achieve your goals. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so for your YouTube channel, we have three type of services available. First one is SEO, that means search engine optimization. And in this session, we have to research for your niche related keyword. That means at first we have to research your YouTube channel very well. That means what is your channel category and your targeted audience, it is which people we have to find out. And then we have to find out your channel niche related keyword. That's mean which keyword your audience search on YouTube to watching your niche related videos. That means, for example, you meet gaming video, then we have to find out these people use which keyword for watching gaming video, as like Best Gaming UK, PUBG Gamer, Free Fire Gamer, for example. Just we have to find out this type of keyword. Okay, so we have to find out that, and for that we have many type of YouTube certified tools like vidIQ, TubeBuddy, RapidTag, Google Keyword Planner, Moors, and many more. After that, we have to input and include this type of keyword your video's backend section, like title, description, text section, and by that we have to optimize your videos. And then when your audience searches on YouTube according to your niche and according to your keyword, then your videos will choose YouTube and Google top search result. Okay, and in this way you can get your audience. And also we have another method that's called organic promotion, and in this session, um, just we have to simply copy your videos link and we have to share by using social media site like Facebook, LinkedIn, Quora, Tumblr, Reddit. This type of social media site use a lot of people, so we can share your videos to them. Okay, so and also we have another method that's called Google Ads, that's mean paid campaign. And in this session, if you have money, then you can choose the paid campaign. But right now and for fast, we recommend you can choose the Google. You can choose the SEO work because it's organic and very powerful. So right now, can I share my screen to show you our agency?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hmm.
It's our YouTube channel. That's name is Freelancing School BD. If you search on Google or YouTube, then you can get our channel. So in here, I'm not just only a mature man, also I'm a teacher and digital marketing related skill trainer. So you can see in this channel, 200 plus videos, and you can see the class about thumbnail design. You can see a lot of class in here available about digital marketing and graphics design classes. So you can see, actually you can see a lot of client meeting we already done, US, UK, Canada, and many type of clients. If you click on our client playlist section, then you can see a lot of playlist in here available. And in here you
Mhm.
can see our clients meeting playlist, and also 20 plus meeting in here is available. And also we have another we have agency website, but right now it's there is a problem, so that's why I cannot show you. So right now, if you have any question, if you want to know any more other information, you can feel free to ask me. I will try to answer you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what method do you recommending in this case for my channel? Because you described three methods, but based on my channel, my channel is basically a new one. It's growing little by little. So I mentioned to Matthew that I wasn't too clear, on doing this meeting because I was thinking just to stop, because you spend a lot of time and sometimes you don't see the results that you are looking for. But he sent me an email, and well, I got the motivation to do it, and I said, okay, let's have the meeting and see what are you going to propose to me, and see if I, can make a decision regarding. So in this case, which one do you recommend?
Okay, good question. Actually, I have already mentioned you YouTube SEO and promotion work is actually good for you. It will be good for you because Google Ads or paid campaign, it's just boom overnight. But after when you stop the campaign, then your result will be stopped. So this is not good for you. So if you want to get good result for long time, then you can choose the SEO work, SEO and organic promotion, because in this way you not get result just boom. You will get result day by day, day by day. And as a SEO expert, our main job is we have to promote your video organically. We have to show your video to your targeted people. And after that, when your audience see, yes, your videos is very important and it's giving value to them, then he, of course, obviously, he will click on your videos. So our main job is we have to show your videos to your actual targeted people. So that's the actual work. Okay, so if your content quality is good and your thumbnail quality is good, then you can get the best result. So in this way you can get result, of course, but it will grow day by day, so it will be better for you.
Oh, okay. And how it works? How it works? How do you put that method in action into my channel?
For that, we need your channel access for working your channel backend, but we no need your channel login information like email, password. It's your privacy, so you cannot share with anyone this information. So we
Yeah.
just need your channel information, your channel access as a manager or as a editor or as a editor limited. Do you know how to give?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So after finish our meeting, my boy will send you his email address. Then you can make him your channel manager or editor.
Okay. And talking about this, what will be, because there is a cost, right? So what will be the cost regarding to this?
Okay. Right now we have two type of packages available. First one is basic package, and in this package we have to completely SEO optimization your 10 videos. Your 10 videos completely SEO optimization and including organic promotion like social media promotion work. And our 10 videos package cost is 120 US dollar. This is the basic package. And also we have another package that's called premium package. And in this package, we have to completely SEO optimization your 30 videos in 30 days. And including organic promotion and including your whole channel optimization, like your channel description, channel keyword, and we can fix. And our premium package cost is only 300 US dollar.
300.
Yes, complete
Yeah.
SEO optimization and including organic promotion and including your whole channel optimization.
Okay, and the first one you mentioned is only for the first 10 videos.
Yes, 10 videos.
And this second one is for the whole, basically the whole channel.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. I believe it's good information, so I will be thinking about this, and just to make a if I want to continue this way, so that I can communicate that to I don't know because I don't have your information. I believe I have only mature email. So feel free to send me an email, copy mature, and once I have a decision, I will be responded back to you. And the other question I have is how the payment is made if I decide to go with you. How the payment is collected.
I think there is no problem because you can choose at first the basic plan, and after basic package, if you see yes result is coming and you are getting your result, and if you are satisfied with the result, then you can choose the premium package or lifetime package. There is no problem if you are satisfied. And we are professional freelancer, we are professional YouTube SEO experts, so our first priority is your satisfaction, because we know if you satisfied with our work, then you will hire us for a long time. So it's our first priority. Yes.
Okay, good. And about the payment, how it works, the payment.
Actually, you can pay us 50% after and 50% before, and you can pay us by using PayPal.
Oh, okay. So you have a website to make the payment, or can maybe be a deposit? How it works?
You can pay us just using PayPal. PayPal.
Oh, okay. Because I don't have PayPal.
You have to.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Sounds good. Yeah. So send me the information to my email, that I have for my channel, and I will be thinking about this, and I will be providing a decision. Once I have a decision made, I will be contacting you back.
Yes, of course. After finish our meeting, my boy will send you our YouTube channel link and also send you the packages. That means our pricing and what will we do for you in a Google Sheet. Then you can check it out. You can check it out. Okay.
Okay, good. Sounds good.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much for joining with
Yeah.
us. Can you say hi to our audience, Freelancing School VD?
Hello. How are you?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You are very friendly and very handsome man. Thank you so much for joining with us.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Yes. Take care.